today we're out for another adventure. We're heading up the river. So we're at a riverhead right now that meets into a dam, and we're heading up to the river for a small walk to go cook on riverside, see if we can get any crayfish, anything in the river, just have a good vibe. So I have to step up on the dam. Step down. Proper shot now, trying to buck around, so this look. Yeah, you just take her down. Hold this one. Yes, sir, down in the river. That's a slippery. We're good, man, we're good, man, we're good. Yeah, man, down in the river, down in the river. Yeah, man, up that slippery. We don't take no check. See it there? Gone, back in the back down, that's a waterproof. We're good, we're waterproof down there. Oh God, like a man and come in like me never got a river yet, or me and a country man.
I treat you like tourist.
Man, tell me like me a tourist, or like the man I'm a tour guide to Ratib. River water nice, so cool. We're good, man. Out here. Oh, clean. Yes. I ain't pull me up, you know me. Again. Sun skirt. Up the wall. You have to help out the little old man, you know. Look at that. That's the adventure right there. Feel like I walk on the plank though. You know what? I'm gonna hurry up and take it across here, man, because a good river right there, sir. But the man might carry me, yes, sir. To go on next river. Good river. See there? Good river. But yet still we trekking through the damn jungle to go swim in the same damn river. Same river we are go swimming, and same river we are go cook against. But we are trying. Trekking. This is wild cocoa. Wild cocoa, so you walk a while and just dig up piece, see the root. Not the cocoa like chocolate, cocoa like yam, them call it. This is the wild one. Right on the riverside. Too bad they're not ready yet for even cooking. But look at that.
Hello guys. Come in.
Watch her. Right across. Planting.
You're recording.
Still walking. Sweat still dripping. Food in my bag. Everything in the bag. Except water. Good thing we have a river. But it's beautiful. Off the beaten path. Social distancing again. It's pretty amazing. We always tell you, it's not always the journey. It's not always the destination. Sometimes it's the destination, sometimes it's the journey. This time, it's the destination.
Sometimes you know it's have to run.
Sometimes you know it's have to run. Look at that.
Wow.
Stay on the rock. We're gonna make this a Jamaica food tours exclusive.
Wow.
Chad and yam. This is the new tour right here.
Wow.
Chad and yam.
Wow.
Chad, it's another river again. Careful if it's slippery.
Okay.
Back in the water, you alright? Yeah, man. Huh? Come. It's alright.
I'm okay. I'm okay. You hold yourself.
I'm good. This is...
You have all your shit.
all that water field. And you tell me, say you can't find no fire for wood. Or wood fire. Things ever they bought. Watch out. Rocks and things always about. Fire always there. You get that. If you just knock you right now. Knock it and broke it up. And see it now. Firewood. Can't tell me say things not there. Firewood there. When I use my coal man, firewood I use. Fire blaze and taking a while. We're hungry out here. So I'll show you how we get this done right now. Can't go wrong. Can't go hungry. Ever have it. Thunder roll now. Weather sound like soon come down to time to get cooking. It's a bamboo. So I just going make sure it's like clean, take off the outside of it. Watch this now. Yeah, make it over. I have to make it over. That one. I just put on a dog now. I'll make sure so we can eat. Right there, so we're good to go. And from here, so we just have to try to go straight over the fire now. We'll find a little catch because we're hungry. But things are going already. Watch out. When you find fireman, your gunshot are licking at the fire, they're legal. Catch that round the back, make the fire blazing. I see it's not chicken up from last night. I had it marinating. Whole heap of pepper in there, pimento, the usual. My jerk chicken though, I don't think you ever seen me do a jerk chicken. My sauce is not for everybody. Whole heap of heat, whole heap of pimento, whole heap of Jamaican, whole heap of flavor. You know when we love the smoke flavor onto it as well, so whole heap of smoke in there. People come Jamaica and them come, most of the time them come for the smoke. Them not come for them type of smoke and them come from the other smoke. But we have put smoke in the chicken.
I think I'll come up behind this all. Girl, eat this bit. On the rock side, the rock side. No, the black, where the smoke can go up on the back. That side.
Gunshot!
Cool.
That.
Oh, you pull it out?
Yeah man, shot still a licking outside for go. The fire going to blaze up. Straight out of the fire, you can see the smoke still on it. Tell you so we're not hungry, you know. We can't hungry. Even with our bush. illegal.
So if you guys...
Chicken is absolutely amazing, and the fact that we're in this atmosphere outdoors at the river, I know that the food will come out well, but this is what Jamaica is about. Enjoying the outdoors, enjoying what's there for you, enjoying the river, enjoying the sea, doing something that gets you out, gets you enjoying this beautiful island that we're lucky enough to call home. Yes man, the rain come down, cover him up so it's smoking.
Where is the water?
Yeah.
That gets covered. We're smoking.
Rehydrating. And hear that sizzle. Rehydrating it, make sure that it not dry out. All of that heat coming off of it. That's a separate thing. Riverside. Jerk chicken.
That's a good one. Chocolate again?
No.
Step on it. Want it blister. Spin to your hand. Step on it.
They'll have a dub, you know.
Yeah, that's a good man.
So you know candy way?
Nothing like social distancing with some smoke and the smell of that jerk chicken, all of those spices, the smell of Jamaica coming into it, and then you have the nature. Just family. Yeah. There's a whole heap of smoke on the riverside. Yo! That smoke is serious. Get that marinade, go straight into the chicken. That's the flavor we're looking for. All of that smoke going in there with the pimento and a whole heap of scotch bonnet. Turn it over. Nah man, this look good. Hot. Drop it there so. Yeah, man, I like that. Pass every test. Well worth the wait. Well worth the adventure.
Go on, let's script up that.
Only pass smoke.
Can't revamp that. That we're not done with us at home. We're not done with them. Yo, Matthew, thank you so much for having us, bro.
Yeah, man, it's the best day ever, man.
Yo!
The man don't understand 6 feet, you know.
It fell off the board.
I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it. It's good though. Oh, it's lovely. So No salt, it's tender. It's juicy. I like the little bun up parts on it. It's nice.
There's so much smoke that's in the chicken. And the pimento with the scotch bonnet. They're not like spicy jerk chicken. We have a lot of places that don't add the spice. Tourist jerk chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken, a lot of scotch bonnet goes into it. Even if there's a sauce after, you don't need that when you're cooking my jerk chicken. Whole heap of scotch bonnet, whole heap of pimento. The flavors of Jamaica. Jerk chicken is Jamaica. Almost back to civilization. What a day, what an experience. Out. This whole adventure was amazing. The walk up here with a bunch of friends and family, just to distance ourselves, get out in the wild, explore Jamaica, find somewhere, catch a little stove, make up your thing, start your cooking. Just get out there and do something. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I have. Until next time, stay safe. One love. Bless.